Hi, I'm Lisa.
Hi, I'm Wes. I brought you this.
Oh, thanks.
We're both wearing green.
Hey, nice.
All right.
This week, the app we are featuring is SurveyMonkey. I'll walk you through how to create a survey, share results, and set up notifications, all right in Teams. Let's start by adding the app by going to the App Store and searching for SurveyMonkey. Selecting the app and choosing Add. If you'll be using it a lot, right-click on the icon to pin it. To create a survey, open the app and select the My Surveys tab and New. From here, you can choose to create a poll, start a new survey, or even use a template for your poll or survey. Let's create a poll. Select the type of question you want, like single text box. Type in your question. What do you like best about hybrid work? Then save. From here, you can edit your poll, view results as they come in, or share it.
To share, click the paper plane. Select if you would like to keep results anonymous and when you want to close the poll. Then select Share Poll. You will now have a link you can copy and paste to share to a Teams channel, a chat, or an email. As people respond to your survey, set up notifications for SurveyMonkey so you can let others know when those responses are coming in. Choose the channel where you want to send notifications. Select the three dots at the top right corner, then choose Connectors. Search for SurveyMonkey and configure. Note, you will be asked to add if you haven't already added the app to your channel. Click Visit Site to install, then choose the survey you want to receive notifications for and which ones you want to receive. Select each one. Hit Save, close the window, and then you're done. Your channel will get the notifications for the survey you selected. Adding SurveyMonkey to Teams lets you create and share surveys right in Teams and keep your team in the loop on the responses you receive. Try it out today.
And don't forget to give us a like if you found this helpful, and then subscribe so you don't miss out on the next feature app and other Teams tips.